In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're new or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the search feature effortlessly. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to the official Microsoft Loop site. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials to access all your workspaces, documents, and features. Once logged in, locate the search feature on the navigation pane, usually on the left side of your Loop interface. Look for the magnifying glass icon. This is your gateway to searching across Loop. Here's a quick shortcut tip. Press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac to open the search bar instantly. Using shortcuts can save time and make your workflow smoother. With the search interface open, type your keyword, phrase, document title, or even a colleague's name if you're looking within shared workspaces. Loop will automatically display matching results as you type, helping you quickly find what you need. Remember, the more specific your search terms, the more relevant your results will be. This makes it easy to locate documents, notes, and other important content without manually browsing through pages. And that's it. You now know how to search effectively in Microsoft Loop, making your navigation faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and productivity tips. Happy searching!